Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So in this lesson today we will start our computer lesson and we will learn about a very important part of computer that is called a keyboard. So that will be an introduction to the computer keyboard. You all have seen along with your computers small keys, big keys, a bunch of keys from which you can type and you can do many things from it. So to understand that, you have to watch this first, the basic things about computer in the next video.
The keyboard. Learning about the keyboard and its keys. Before you start using the computer, you must know a few things about the keyboard. The keyboard is connected to the CPU by a wire. The keyboard has many small buttons called keys. These keys are pressed to type alphabets or numbers. You can see different sets of keys on the keyboard. Alphabet keys. You can type any letter of the alphabet using the alphabet keys. Number keys. You can type any number using the number keys. Arrow keys. You can use the arrow keys to move up and down, left and right on the screen. Function keys. You can do special jobs using the function keys. Special keys. The other keys on the keyboard are special keys used to do some special jobs. Some special keys are Control key, Delete key, the Tab key, the Spacebar key and the Enter key. Summary. In this chapter, we learned about the functions of keyboard.
Yes students, do you remember the interesting name of the keyboard? Yes, we will see that why we call it a keyboard. It is called QWERTY. QWERTY. Yes, it's QWERTY. As you know, you can see the keyboard is named for the first 6 letters on the top row of the keyboard. QWERTY. On your screen you can see as well this row highlighted one. So there are some important keys to know on the keyboard. The first one is Shift key, makes letters capitalized. The next one, you can find the other Shift key on the right hand side as well. And this is the long space bar. It adds a space between the words. And the other key is, this is the Enter key, like clicking OK or go down one line. Going to the next line. The next one is the Backspace. It erases backwards one letter at a time. Erases means deleting. Now on your screen you can see some colorful parts. It is a big keyboard and there are different keys. We will start from the left hand side top. The red key, this is called an escape key. And these purple ones you can see on the next to it, these are called the function keys. They are used for operating different operations in the keyboard. And after that, in the middle we can see the gray ones. The gray ones are the extra keys, we call them, and in them the included ones are home and page up, you can see. And after that you can see the yellow one. It's a beige sort of mustard yellow one. These are called numeric keypad. You can see many numbers on it. After that we move towards the blue area, light blue, sky blue ones. They are called the typewriter keys. They are alphanumerics. We call them typewriter keys. And then that is a bigger one. The green one, that is an enter key, just to move towards the next line, and we also call it OK. And after that, a long bar, a long key with the dark blue color, that is called a space bar. It is used to give space. And after that, you can see the pink one. The pink one, these are the Windows keys. They are what we call them. We call them Windows keys. After that, the purple one, that is written on it is CTRL. On the both sides of the keys, you can see they are called control keys. And then light yellow one, you can see these are called alt keys. And along with that, you can see blue color bottom side, the arrows, they are called cursor keys or arrows keys. So now we have learned about them, that how they work and what they are. Now if we divide basically the parts, the keys of the keyboard, they are 6 in number. On your screen you can see I have highlighted with the specific colors, and along with the functions you can see them with the red color. All the keys marked with the red color, they are called the control keys. And with the purple color you can see the keys, they are called the function keys. And the yellow ones, the keys with the yellow color, they are called the typing keys, or we can say that they are alphanumeric keys, because they have alphanumeric itself is self-explanatory. It tells us that they have alphabets and numbers as well in it. And then you can see the green ones. The green ones keys, they are called the navigation keys. And after that is, this is the blue color keys, that is called a numeric keypad. This all area is called numeric keypad on your right hand. And the last one on the right hand top corner is in brown color, and we call them indicator lights. There are different green lights. You can see at times they are blinking, they are turned on. When you turn on like your caps lock, there is a, like in the yellow keys, there is an option, there is an key of caps lock to make the letters capital, so the light blinks on the indicator lights. It shows that this is on, so they are called the indicator keys. Now hope you have understood the basic division of the keyboard. Now hope you all have understood about the keys on your keyboard. On your screen you can see a worksheet. You have to solve it out, and you have to identify and name the keys given below. The question is, look at the keys given below and name them. The options are given in the purple box. The first option is backspace, spacebar, enter and arrow keys. After that, you can see on your screen there are 4 keys pictures, and you have to label them, and on the next slide you can get the answer key for that. Best of luck students to fill it up.
The keyboard. Learning about the keyboard and its keys. Before you start using the computer, you must know a few things about the keyboard. The keyboard is connected to the CPU by a wire. The keyboard has many